Canon has once again stirred the camera world with a series of leaks that suggest the upcoming EOS R9 could be a game-changer for the APS-C segment. While the EOS R7 has long dominated Canon's crop sensor lineup, the R9 promises to challenge its predecessor with a suite of features that could appeal to professional photographers, hybrid shooters, and videographers alike. This isn't a minor refresh. It seems Canon is positioning the R9 as a serious contender in both speed and versatility, a camera that could blur the lines between APS-C and full-frame performance. But as with any high-spec rumor, the real question remains: does the Canon EOS R9 live up to the hype, or is it simply an overhyped upgrade that struggles to justify its place in the APS-C market? At the heart of the Canon EOS R9's rumored specs is a 32.5 megapixel APS-C sensor, a resolution that signals Canon's intent to take crop sensors seriously for professional and advanced hobbyist use. Unlike incremental updates that merely tweak numbers, the R9 seems designed to push APS-C beyond the entry-level or enthusiast tier. By providing additional resolution, the R9 offers tangible benefits for image detail, fine texture reproduction, and cropping flexibility, which are crucial for wildlife and sports photographers who often rely on crop compositions to capture distant subjects. While a 0.5 megapixel increase may appear minor on paper, it represents Canon's commitment to giving APS-C shooters a higher level of control over image quality and compositional freedom. For sports and wildlife photographers, this extra resolution is more than just a number. It translates into real-world advantages. Cropping into a photo without significant loss of quality allows for greater creative freedom and makes the APS-C format more competitive against full-frame alternatives. In practice, the EOS R9 could allow photographers to capture fleeting moments with clarity, whether it's a bird in flight, a fast-moving athlete, or a distant wildlife subject, while still maintaining professional-grade detail. Canon appears to be signaling that the R9 isn't just about keeping APS-C relevant. It's about raising the bar, potentially challenging full-frame cameras in certain shooting scenarios while maintaining the compact, lightweight benefits of a crop sensor body. Beyond stills, the Canon EOS R9 seems poised to make a significant leap in video capabilities, which is where its hybrid potential becomes most apparent. Rumors suggest the camera could support 8K recording at 30 frames per second, a feature previously reserved for high-end cinema rigs and select full-frame mirrorless cameras. Such a capability would place the R9 in a unique position, bridging the gap between professional photography and cinematic video production. Additionally, 4K at 120 FPS is reportedly included, enabling ultra-smooth slow-motion sequences that can turn ordinary footage into cinematic storytelling. This level of versatility ensures the R9 isn't limited to static photography. It can serve as a robust tool for hybrid shooters who demand both high-resolution stills and professional-quality video in a single, compact package. The Canon EOS R9's rumored dual-pixel CMOS AF2 system is expected to receive a significant AI-powered upgrade, transforming autofocus into a more intelligent, adaptive system. Beyond merely tracking faces or eyes, the next-generation AF is said to recognize motion patterns and adjust dynamically to complex movements. This makes it ideal for unpredictable subjects, from wildlife in motion to fast-paced sports, or even busy wedding environments where subjects move rapidly across the frame. With this system, the R9 could dramatically reduce missed shots caused by focus hunting, even in chaotic shooting conditions, providing reliable performance across a range of disciplines. One of the standout specifications that positions the Canon EOS R9 as a professional-grade APS-C option is its 20 frames per second burst rate. Combined with its upgraded autofocus, this capability makes it a powerful choice for photographers who need to capture fleeting, high-speed action without compromise. Sports photographers, wildlife enthusiasts, and action shooters could benefit immensely from this level of performance, allowing them to consistently capture critical moments with precision. Alongside this, Canon appears to have optimized internal heat management and data processing to support high-resolution stills and video without interruptions. Improved buffer capacity and file handling will reduce the likelihood of bottlenecks, a common issue for high-megapixel APS-C cameras attempting to sustain extended bursts or high frame rate video. The AI-driven autofocus, in particular, is rumored to be highly sophisticated, capable of anticipating motion and predicting subject movement. For wildlife photography, this could mean tracking a bird mid-flight even when it passes behind trees or other obstacles. For sports, it could allow photographers to maintain focus across a large playing field, capturing every detail of a fast-paced game. This predictive element, combined with the high burst rate and image quality, positions the Canon EOS R9 as an APS-C camera capable of competing in situations traditionally dominated by full-frame models. In terms of video production, the R9's rumored specifications suggest it could serve as a single-camera solution for hybrid content creation. Shooting in 8K provides immense flexibility for cropping, stabilization, and post-production adjustments without sacrificing quality, future-proofing content for years. Combined with Canon's renowned color science, the R9 is expected to deliver visually stunning results with minimal grading required. For filmmakers, YouTubers, or vloggers, this means the ability to capture cinematic quality footage without needing a separate cinema camera, making the EOS R9 a compelling option for hybrid creators who want both stills and motion capabilities in a single, compact system. Despite its impressive specifications, the Canon EOS R9 comes with certain caveats. Rumors suggest a price point around $2,500, placing it significantly above the EOS R7 and closer to entry-level full-frame cameras. For some, this price may raise questions about whether sticking with APS-C is still a sensible choice, especially when full-frame options like the Canon EOS R6 Mark II provide excellent low-light performance, superior bokeh, and a broader lens ecosystem. The cost-benefit analysis may push certain photographers toward full-frame alternatives, particularly if they value long-term lens availability and the advantages of a larger sensor. Lens support is another critical consideration. While APS-C RF mount cameras can technically use full-frame RF lenses, doing so undermines the APS-C format's main advantages: compactness, portability, and cost efficiency. Full-frame glass adds weight, bulk, and expense, which may discourage some users from adopting the R9 fully. Compared to Canon's mature EF lens ecosystem, the RF lineup for APS-C is still developing, with notable gaps in fast telephoto primes, wide-angle lenses, and professional-grade zooms. Without a fully realized lens system, the R9 risks being an exceptional body that is difficult to integrate into a complete, balanced shooting kit, potentially limiting its appeal for professionals seeking a versatile, ready-to-go setup. In conclusion, the Canon EOS R9 is shaping up to be a standout addition to Canon's mirrorless lineup. With rumored features like a 32.5-megapixel APS-C sensor, 20 FPS burst rate, advanced AI autofocus, and high-end video capabilities, it promises to push the boundaries of what crop sensor cameras can achieve. While there are considerations regarding price, lens ecosystem, and workflow requirements, the EOS R9 seems designed to offer serious photographers and hybrid creators a compelling combination of speed, precision, and versatility. For those willing to embrace the APS-C format at the highest level, the Canon EOS R9 may well be the camera that redefines their expectations and opens new creative possibilities.